Hello, brother. Good evening. How are you?
Hi. Yes, good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I can I can notice that you are from India, right?
Yeah, I'm from India. And where are you from?
But I'm pretty sure that you do not know my country, right?
What? You're from what's the name? Africa.
Yes, I'm from Africa, but do you know the Benin, the name of the country? I've said it already. The name is Benin.
Okay, 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 okay. Benin.
Yes,
Okay,
Benin.
okay. It's
In
very
West
unique
Africa. You know
name.
Nigeria?
Huh?
You know Nigeria?
No.
You don't know Nigeria?
Just I have heard the name once or two times. I don't know anything about it.
Yes. In Africa we have so many countries, but Nigeria is one of the
Okay,
largest in the greatest country.
okay.
But in Africa, we call the Nigeria giant, the giant of Africa, and Benin is just beside Nigeria, like on the
Okay,
west side.
okay, 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 okay. I got it. Okay, by
Yeah.
the way, what's your profession?
I work as a cook or personal chef.
Okay, okay, okay. And what's your educational background?
Yes, I'm actually studying digital marketing, but
Okay, okay,
I have a bachelor in catering field, catering and tourism field, and after that I decided to started doing some jobs here and there to raise some money, some funds to start a new life. And actually I'm like uh doing something really different of what I'm used to. Yes, that's what I'm doing
okay,
right now.
okay, okay.
How about you?
That's very impressive to
How old
me.
are you? How
Just
old are you?
I'm 20. Okay, before I'm saying I should ask
No
you
way.
why?
You're 20.
Yes.
You look older than that.
What?
You look older than that.
Really?
Yes. You
Okay.
like 30 or 35.
No, bro, I'm not that much older. I'm
Yeah.
just
You're really,
20.
really young.
Yeah, like I can
Yes.
say my birthday 01012005, like 2005. You can count. It's 20.
Wow. It's really.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's good.
By the way,
That
which
means that I'm your elder brother.
yeah. Okay, and what about you? Like, okay, at first, who is he? Or yeah, who is he?
I'm He's my nephew.
Okay, 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 okay. Got
He's
it.
the son of
He's
my elder sister. So yes, he's my
okay.
nephew.
He's so cute. He's so cute.
Yes.
Yes,
So t'as
so
écouté?
cute.
Dis-moi juste
Hello,
bonjour.
hello,
Dis-moi bonjour tout le
baby.
temps.
Hello. How are you?
He say I'm
Why
fine.
why are you
He
eating your
doesn't he
fingers?
doesn't speak English. He doesn't speak English. He speaks French.
French. Okay, okay, okay. That's
Yes.
good. Okay, sounds good. He's so cute. Okay, and let's talk about the profession. To be very honest, I'm in college, I'm in second year, so I don't
Okay.
like a study to be honest. I want to do some business like digital marketing or any editing, graphics design, this kind of
Mm,
skills I want to build in my life. But I'm trying to figuring it
yes.
out that what I should learn actually. So as you are doing digital
Mm.
marketing, so what could you suggest me to learn digital marketing? Like, is there any specific things that very interesting that I should learn?
Yes. Do you like anything? Do you like to do anything? Actually, like, are you passionate by something in real life? So I can just suggest you something. What are you
Passionate means,
passionate with? Like,
passionate
yes.
means that's very good question. That before giving me some advice, you ask me about my passion. So I like to create videos. I like to practice English, like I'm talking to you. I like to create videos,
Mhm.
and I like to like use my laptop computer throughout the day. It's not unnecessary
Mhm.
doing some important work. So that's my profession, or I
Okay.
like.
So, Ika, if I can just suggest something to you, actually, it will be to start doing the digital marketing, because in this field we have so many like disciplines in the field. You have graphic designs, you have a video editing and everything, and it can help you actually to know how to create professional videos and
Hmm.
everything. I think you should try that, but don't
Okay.
forget to do something that you really like. Because if
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
you
Yes. Yes.
don't
Thank
like
you.
that thing, the thing that you're doing, you will be lose. You will be lost, and you not like the result of everything.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So by
Yes.
the way, I left you the my email in
Ha
the
ha.
comments, so you can check,
Yes. I will
copy the
definitely
email
check it.
and
I will
send
definitely
me
check
a
it out.
message.
Okay,
Okay?
brother. At last, I wanna say one thing. I have recorded this conversation in my laptop. So can I post it on YouTube for document my life that I have made with this guy, and he's so nice, polite. Can I post it?
Yes. I would like to see you later as well.
Okay,
Okay?
okay. Thank you so
So
much. Have a
have a
nice
good
day.
time and may God bless you.
Bye bye, cute baby. Bye bye,
Yeah,
tata.
yeah, you're welcome.